Regan? Regan? That's the weird way to say it. You heard her. I did. It threw me off my publishing. Is it not Regan? Oh no. How do you say Regan? Auto Regan? Is it not Regan? Oh god, have I been saying it wrong? Listen here now. Stop confusing Jelly Game. Auto Regan. Oh, REGEN! That makes so much more sense. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Can you tell me? Can you tell that I learned to read so many words through this game? I've never heard them aloud. It was years in the making. Oh no, Auto Regan. It looks like Auto Regan. Look, listen. It looks like Auto Regan. Look, it looks like Auto